Hey guys, I hope you're all doing good and I know you all missed me. So you might be wondering where the hell I was from last 1 month. I have not uploaded a single thing except shorts because that was the easiest things to do. So I used to put shorts like few days ago. I think a month ago, I guess. So sorry for that delay, guys. By the way, what I was doing. So currently, I'm at a stage. So even I was finding a job, but I didn't got any job. So I started my own goddamn business. I have a English speaking classes course. So I teach English to the people who come to me, and it's like a 2 time course. So if you want to know more, you can call me or you can just DM me on my Instagram. So now let's move on ahead. So what is the reason for making this video especially? And actually, I believe that I'm gonna change my channel name to Smart Talks now because I believe I'm really smart and I can talk on many things which can relate to you guys. So let's go ahead and let's talk about about my wisdom tooth removal. So guys, stay tuned and I'll tell you what happened exactly. So guys, from last 7 days, I was in so much anguish and so much of pain that I can't even tell you because of this small little because of this small little thing which is called as wisdom tooth. So this guy was inside my mouth over here. So guys, what is wisdom tooth basically? Wisdom tooth is we have 32 teeth in our mouth and some extra teeth are there. So what happens is they are actually in our mouth from beginning, but as we grow further in our age, it comes out it shows up. So I was I might be having some small issue in my teeth, so I was used to brush normally and do things like that. But one fine day, I was like, oh my god, that is paining too much, and I was feeling something like something wants to come out. I thought that might be some small piece of teeth or something. But then later I came to know there was a goddamn full teeth, like big size teeth. Like this guy was there. I was like, oh, I was shocked to see. Like what the hell is he doing over there? Then I came to know that wisdom tooth is like common thing to come in everyone's mouth. Okay, but let me tell you one thing: wisdom tooth is not wise at all. It's not wise. That's the irony over here. So guys, after coming to know that I have a wisdom tooth issue over here. So I went for X-ray. So that X-ray is not available everywhere. It's at a certain places such as PH Medical and the place where I did diagnostic hub. There was there Planet Dentist. It was there. So they were charging like 700 500 because these machines are there. They will take a panoramic shot of your mouth, entire mouth, and then you take it out. So it was the thing which I did, and I will show you the X-ray. Might be I've shown you the X-ray. Here's the X-ray, guys. So here's the X-ray of, and you can see how it is over there. So basically, this causes problem not to everyone, but it causes problem to those who have a smaller jaw. So for example, if this teeth doesn't has a specific space inside your mouth, okay, so it will cause crowding of other teeth. Like other teeth will be like either from this side or from that side. But this teeth will cause problem if you don't have specific space in your mouth. But it's not compulsory for everyone to get it removed because sometimes it comes out anyway in a very proper way and doesn't even hurt. So for my case, it was a different case. So I took it out and it took at least 10 to 15 minutes Dr. Shivaya to take it out, and it was really an amazing operation. It was a really good doctor, but the thing was the anesthesia was very painful. I got a I literally got a injection inside my mouth, and my lips were I literally felt like, oh shit, what the hell have I done with my life? So I was given anesthesia for at least local anesthesia was for 6 hours, 7 hours. I don't know how much exact time it was, but it was so much. I literally felt like I don't have any teeth or anything in my mouth. Doctor literally punched it out. Doctor took out my teeth in a punch or something. I don't know what it is said, but he took it out. I didn't even felt anything. So after that, my surgery was done, and it was really painful to eat from here because there was some stitches over there. So to get rid of that stitches, it took me at least 5 days to recover completely. So right now I just came back from removing my stitches. It's like I did it on Saturday and today it got over. So I was I took it out and all those things which I done. And during the recovery period, let me tell you one thing, this recovery period is very problematic because what happens is sometimes it's it hurts you a lot and you can't eat anything. Literally, I was on liquid diet for at least 5 days. I was eating dahi, I was eating bananas, I was drinking milk. That's it, nothing else. I can't even brush. And while brushing, if you do okay, so after removal of my teeth, it was pretty painful to me. But what you need to do is, whenever you are spitting or something, if you want to brush a little bit, take a pinch of Colgate in your mouth and just brush it on the other side, which it is not affected. just brush it there little bit, not too vigorously, very lightly or gently. Or first day you can't, it's okay if you don't even brush. What you need to do is put some water in your mouth with some little bit salt, and water should not be too warm. It should be like mild, and you need to do this action. And you can't spit it out. You just need to open your mouth. The water will come down automatically. So you need to do that as a recovery thing if you want to wash your mouth and all those things. So, and I was not allowed to even spit. Can you imagine? यहाँ पे कितना कचरा होता है, like that all garbage, like smell over there. It goes in my mouth and I'm like, तुमको निकलना पड़ेगा. Basically, why we have to do this is because whenever we have an incision or a cut in our mouth, a blood clot starts coming over there. And what happens is, if we sneeze or if we cough or if we spit it out, okay, then it will cause more bleeding and more pain. So I was not allowed to spit for so many days, and I was not even allowed to eat hard or consume normal food for a few days. So I was like on a liquid diet completely, and I was doing the liquid diet thing. And liquid diet was like, it made me a little bit weak kind of, because I used to eat very less. So after that, right now today I just got my stitches removed, and I had a really great food today. Like I had paneer rice today, and it was really amazing experience. So I thought, let's share it with you guys. So why not to share these things with you guys? And I'm believing like I need to move ahead in my life and make some good content for you guys, because actually I was doing my business stuff, and I have started my own businesses. One is English speaking business, and other is filter making business. And as you know, I make videos, so I even make videos for people like you also. Like if you don't know editing and all, I can teach you. And now I'll be starting mobile marketing classes, where I'll be teaching you everything from mobile itself. Yeah, everything from mobile. You don't even need Wi-Fi, you don't even need any computer or something. You'll be learning marketing for that, and that course will be starting from 1st of the August. So if you want to know more, just DM me on my Instagram or my Facebook, or you can call me anytime. So thank you so much guys for watching, and stay tuned, subscribe my channel, and share it if you have someone who has a wisdom tooth issue.